So very good morning and good evening. So let us start our session. So you said you have issues in the flat file, right? Say for an example, if you have, this is the flat file. So your data type here, it is date and time. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Here, did you
Date.
check what is the date and time, or here it is date?
I guess it's a date and time, but yeah. In target table, higher date data type is date.
Date only. Yeah, it's date only. So it's based on the database. It will choose automatically. It's date only. So what is the issue?
Issue is it's an invalid date format.
Invalid date format. Okay. See, if you are getting invalid date format, right? What you have to do in the invalid date format, it will show you something like a data like this. In the invalid date format error also, it will show you like this data. Something like you'll be having something like this. If it is showing this way, for an example, in your system, the error is showing like this invalid date format. As I told yesterday, you have to go to the source. Okay, source analyzer. So this is the source analyzer, right? So double click on the source. You go to the properties. Okay, in the properties, date and time format here we are mentioning, right?
Yes.
So this date and time format should be whatever the format actual data is. Okay, actual data, whatever the format is coming up, you have to give this format. Say for an example, this format is, it's a DD, okay, hyphen MON hyphen YYY format. Okay. So this format you have to give here. See, you might be doing mistake here only. Okay.
Okay.
See, this I think you might be forgot, or some other format the data might be coming up. Okay, in your system. It's depends on the how the flat file is taking. Okay. One particular system, it may come like this way also. YYY format. Okay, so whatever the format it is coming up, you need to give that format in the source analyzer. Okay, go to source analyzer. You change the source data type format to this format, whatever your date format is coming up. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See, you may ask question. If our customer is sending two different columns as date and time, okay, higher date or something like a date of birth of the employee. Okay, assume that. See, one format, the date of birth, there in some cases, it's very rare case, I'm saying. If your customer is saying that date of birth should be in one format, okay, higher date is in different format. We need to read the data. Okay, we need to read the data, we need to write the data into target. See, how will you read? See, this is in another format, this is in another format. But this is not the actual correct way of designing. We have to tell them, right? Okay, send any one format. Okay, send the file in any one format. But if he is saying that, okay, it is not a date and time, it's like a string data type only, you read it. See, we will send like this only. You can change ETL logic accordingly. Then what we will do, we will first of all, we will read the data as a string, and then we will convert it into a date and time by using the expression. Okay. That I will give you as an exercise so that you can complete it. So anybody tried with the fixed file? Anybody tried with fixed file? Fixed file. Okay. So any, sorry.
No, Chandra.
Okay. You try it today. If you are facing anything, you can let me know. So any other issues? Any other issues? Have you all completed at least one mapping to one mapping? One mapping for table to table, one mapping for flat file.
Chandra, whatever I gave you yesterday, that is what today only I'm going to do the rest of the things, Chandra. Whatever the 2 days exercise you give.
Yeah. Okay, no issues.
Sir, hi sir. This is Ravindra.
Yes, Ravindra.
Yeah, I have small doubt on date format. Is there any chance to you mention like for example for January for 01 and date for 01 and like sir, we cannot mention like JAM, like FEB, like.
Where we have to make?
Yeah, date format.
Date format, okay.
Yeah.
Date format here. Okay,
Yeah,
if your date.
instead of month, we mention numeric values like 01, 02, 03. Like, is it possible?
It is possible. Okay, say for an example, your data is coming in this format, right? Your
Okay.
data is coming this format, like 05 or 06, 09, 21. Like this, it is coming, right?
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
this is a format of this one only.
Okay. Okay.
It depends on the data format, how they are sending us.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See here, you are mentioning like this. Is it correct data? Is the correct one?
No.
No, it's not correct. 24, we will get failure. Okay, that we have to change it like, so this is this is DD. So that means we will check with our source team. We will define one format. So either they need to send this format or this format or any one format. Okay.
Okay.
They
got it.
one day one format, another day another format. They will not change it. They should not change it. Okay.
Okay.
See, they will also have some automatic process. We will define them or they will define us. Okay, this is the format we are going to send.
Okay.
After that, they will not change it. If they are
Yeah.
changing, then we will not load that particular data.
Okay. So, okay. Thank you. Got it.
Got it, right? Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
Chandra, I have one question.
Mhm.
As you mentioned, if in case we have received two date in the same table, let's say one is a date format and another one is a date with the timestamp. Here from higher date also we have a timestamp. When we are trying to load the data into target, it is not loading with the timestamp. But when you see your export X, we have exported rights in CSV format. It's showing in the timestamp
Yeah,
format.
correct. Normally in our SQL, right? If you go and check here, the time format will be there. Actually, your Oracle will take it like a time formatted only. But while showing, it will show you like only date format. If you want to see the time format, right, you have to mention like to-char function in Oracle.
Okay.
It will take automatically time format only. If you are sending the data like a time format, Oracle will take time format only. All the time format it will take. But it will, while taking that, it will not show you. That's all. See here. See, I will show you here. So you are saying the Oracle only, it is not showing the time format, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, 1 minute. I will show you. See, Oracle while taking, you should not take like directly as higher date. You have to make sure that it's a to-char function. Okay, then it will be there. Definitely it will be there. Okay, whether it is like you'll be having, say for an example, this is actual higher date. Okay, I'm taking to_char of higher underscore date, comma, what is the format you want to know? So this is the format, right? Y space HH24 minute seconds from implies. Okay. So if you look at this will show you that format. There is no time format in it, but we have format.
Okay. Yeah, here we are converting the data into this format, right? So if you see our CSV file, there is a time format already mentioned in that. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
So in order to load the data, let's say currently it has all the values as 0. Let's say if we have any values in it, so then we need to
get
load.
loaded. Yeah, date and time only we are giving, right? See here we are giving date and time only. It will get loaded.
Okay. So then we have to mention
up to 29 characters. It will take. See, look at here. How many characters coming up? It will take up to 29 characters. Okay. If you look at here, how many characters are there? 2, 3, 4. This is up to 5, 6, 10, right? 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 only. Okay, 19 only we have, but still we have a lot of time zone and all, right? Time zone, all this up to 29 characters. Still 10 more characters will take.
Okay. So
Including time zone also.
Correct. So in source analyzer, I need to give uh, this date format along with the hours and minutes and all.
Yeah,
Right?
correct.
Okay.
We have to give the format here. See, whatever the format, if you go to this drop down, you can see the format. Here, look at here, all the format will be there. So whatever the format you have to give the format.
Okay.
MMDD11, YYHH 24 minutes, seconds, milliseconds also.
Okay.
Okay, seconds, something like what is that? Microsecond, nanoseconds, all this we can give.
Okay.
If it is not, the format is not specified here, you can type it format.
Okay.
Okay, that format you can type. Normally our customer will send file with timestamp only. Okay, that's timestamp, we will capture it. Our customer will send a timestamp, the file with timestamp. Okay, if you look at here, see there is, if you open this file, so as of now we do not have any format, right? Time format. See, simply it's what is the format? It is DD-MON. Okay, June means MON. See, look at here. This is MON format. There is different formats are there.
Correct.
So this is MON. Okay, something like June 06 if it is coming, that is MM. Okay, this is DD-MM-YYY format. Sorry, YY format.
YY format.
And then you'll be having something like this. Something like this you'll be having June completely. Then it is DD-MONTH month. Okay, YY. So like this you have to change it format. Okay.
Okay.
June, September, October, if it is everything coming like, then MONTH.
Okay.
So MON means 3 characters only. That too will make capital letters, here capital letters, small letter, like that it will differ. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Chandra.
See, normally in the source, if they are sending us flat file, right, you will be getting error in the date format only. Date format only will be facing a lot of issues. Other than that, we can read the data, we can apply simply a business logic, and then we will send. No issues on that. Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
Any other questions?
And also in the mapping, we are giving a source and a target, right? So in order to load the data into target, we are truncating the data before loading, right?
Yeah, correct.
So
Okay.
there I could see one delete option also. Will it delete the data and it will load, or I gave that enable that part and it's not actually deleting. It's,
No, that is for update strategy. While
okay.
update strategy, I will show you. That's for update strategy we have, right? One transformation. Okay.
Okay.
So while coming that, I will show you that what is this delete format, or above one you can able to see I insert, update as delete and all, right?
Correct,
so that
correct.
will be our update strategy. That I will show
Okay.
you. See,
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we will see during that time.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, I have sent you a file, logcat file.
What is this file?
This file, session log.
Session log. Okay. Is it possible to share the screen now? Your system is connected? Hello? Is this your system connected?
Yes, sir. My system is connected.
Okay. Is it possible to share the screen now?
Yes, sir. Host
minute.
is disabled.
Yeah. 1 minute. I'll make you as host. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Yeah. Share the screen now. We'll check it why it is failing. So press E. Press E. Okay, see here. See higher date, invalid date, right? Field number, row number 1 means. See, first of all, you have to check from here how to read the error, right? See, it is reader thread, it is failing. Reader 1_1. FR means file reader. Okay, FR means file reader. Where is the file? The above line showing that this is the file. Okay, you are saying that you are seeing some error in the row number 1 itself. Okay, if you have huge file, right? In the real time, if you have huge file, something like you will be having thousands of data. So in that, you have to identify which data it is failing. You will be having the row number. Okay, based on that row number, you will be going to the particular row and then you can check the data. See here, the date format is it's a DD-MM-YY. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You close this. Go to designer. Double click. Properties. It's a DD. Change the format, not MON. I told, right? It's MM.
Okay.
If it is 06 or 07 and all, it's MM. Type it DD. Check the format, the data. DD, MM, YY only. YY only.
Okay.
2Y only, it's coming, right?
Yes.
Check the data, the monitor. See here, only 8 characters coming.
Yes.
Yeah. Save. Apply. Okay. Save. Okay. Now you run it to your workflow. No need to refresh. Okay. If you are changing anything on the mapping level, you have to refresh. Okay. Start workflow. Go to monitor. Close the session log. Left hand side, you click on the left hand side, you click on the workflow. Okay. You double click on the session. S_M, right? Double click. See, look at here, 107 record loaded into 107, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
See, please, the below one, click on below one.
Yeah. Do you understand?
Below session.
Okay.
Below session, that is workflow.
Oh, sorry.
Click a plus symbol. Take the session, double click. See here, if you look at here, statistics 0, 0, right?
Yes.
But it is showing like succeeded. Actually, it is wrong.
Okay.
Correct. See, if you are making this as succeeded, what the L1 team will think that, right? It got succeeded. They will not look at anything. If it is failing, then only they will check it. Okay, how to make this session as failed if one error comes? What is the property we have to enable? Can anyone tell? If one error comes, what is the property we have to enable? Stop on error. Okay. In the config object, you'll be having option called stop on error. So that stop on error, you have to make it like 1. Clear. See, please make a note of it. These are all real-time issues, real-time project. You may face this. See, you will be creating a workflow mapping and everything. You are saying that you are seeing 107 record went to rejected rows. Look at there. Rejected rows 107, right? Showing. See what you will think. Okay, the session got succeeded. It should get loaded into the table. See, you haven't checked in production. See, one day the data had loaded, so you have deployed the code into production. Next day, all the record got rejected. So what the customer will do? After 2 days, customer will come back and saying that last 2 days the data is not loading. So what will you do? You have to backtrack, right? So instead, if you are making like stop on error equal to G1, on the day itself it will fail, we will fix it. Okay. Make sure that the stop on error should be 1 always. Some special cases we will make it like 0.
Chandra, where will you enable that stop on error?
Yeah, 1 minute, I'll show you. Any other questions? Okay, so I will show you. See here, stop on errors. Whenever you are creating any session, right? Double click on the session. I have already explained this. Always you have to make sure that source and target connections. Okay, source and target connection are file. Then go to the config object. Config object, you have to make stop on error equal to 1. Yesterday I made it right. Like stop on error equal to 1. Then here the general, the fail parent if this task fails. That property we have to enable. So then only both will fail if any one error. Clear on this? Any doubt? Any other issues or questions? I hope everyone.
Chandra, if we enable that part, it will not go through the 107 records. It will came out from the first record itself, right?
First record itself. It will read, it will try to read, but
Correct.
it will first record itself will fail.
Okay, fine.
So Chandra, like in her case, it was already showing that file reader error or something, right, Chandra?
Yeah.
So in that case, it tried to read and it actually succeeded. So it did we check? I mean, in her properties, she has kept it as 0, is it?
Yes, correct.
Oh, okay.
She didn't enable that stop on error.
Okay.
So always will be by default will be as 0.
Okay.
We have to enable that to as 1, at least
Okay.
1. See, sometimes what will happen, we will enable it 1. Okay, always we'll make it like a 1. In our real time, whenever we are deploying the code, we will make sure some basic sanity check and all. It should be 1. Okay, this should be 1, and then fail parent task fails. That should be at high precision and DTM buffer size and everything. We will check it, all the properties. But some cases, say for an example, your customer is sending a data file, okay, to us. On the particular day, one record is not correct. See, they are sending these many records, you assume that. Okay, these many records they are sending it. Out of all the record, one record is not correct. So what will happen? Your Informatica will get failed. So that time what the customer will, our team will say like, okay, so this time you skip this record. Okay, you skip this record. We will check with our source team. Okay, why they are sending this wrong data, whether it is expected data or not. If it is expected scenario, then we will try to handle it in our code. It should not fail. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So on that case, we will make it like stop on error 0. We will run it. Out of this many record, 432 record will get loaded. One record will get skipped. It will not fail. Got it?
Yeah.
The load will complete for today. So tomorrow we'll have call with source team, and then we will inform them, okay, this is the data we are getting it. Because of this, our Informatica load our ETL load got failed. Whether it is we will have a discussion with them. Then we will find it.
Yeah.
We will fix the issue. Whether either they have to correct the file, okay, they have to correct the data. Otherwise, we have to handle it. We have to convert or handle it. Okay. Sometimes what will happen, we make that delimiter as tilde symbol, like this tilde symbol. Okay. Sometimes what will happen in the data itself, they will send us with this tilde symbol. What will happen? So instead of this one character will go next to one, it will fail. Okay. So in between, if I get any data in tilde symbol, so how to handle it? That we have to make sure that if any tilde symbol is there, we have to we have to change it like null value. So like this we will change it.
Okay.
That depends on the data and source team, how they are sending the data. Clear on this? These are all possible mistakes we will do. See, I have created one video, possible mistakes in flat file and tables load. If you have time, so please watch that. It will just 5 minutes or 10 minutes video. Okay, possible mistakes in flat file and tables. So that is a video session. Yeah, any other questions? Okay, so I hope everyone has completed table to table, flat file to table. We do have many methods. So we will take the flat file, these, where is it, fixed width file. Okay, so look at here. So this is the one of the fixed width file. See, this is one of the fixed width file. How many characters coming? 5 characters. Next one, this many characters. Next one, this many characters. So this is the date format, and then this is the one. Okay, this is the one. If you look at here, up to here, it will be there. Up to here. Shall we load this data into a table file? Yes, I will do it. Fixed width file also I will do it. Okay. See, look at here. I will go to this source, import from file. So make sure that the file is there in this one folder. This one, I'm taking this file, click on OK. See, only 2 data are there. This time I will give fixed width. Import from field name. There is no columns here. That's I'm not enabling this option. Okay. Go to next. Go to next. So this is field number 1. See, everything is looking like a field number 1. Oh, everything it is taking field number 1. We have to take many field we have to create. Field number 1, text 5 characters. Okay. Numeric 5 characters. Then you can add one more column. We have to add see in our Informatica only we have to make. Okay, we will make it. We will make it. Everything is taking like 1, right? So I will take as 1 only. Field number 1. It is taking like numeric 5 characters. I will take. Okay, finish. So this is the one. Double click. So you, how many fields are there in the file? First field is employee ID. Employee ID or customer ID, whatever may be. Say I will make employee ID as PMP_ID. It's a number 5 characters. Okay. Then I will go for this is fixed with employee name. This is string. How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters. And this is also 10 characters. String 10. Last name 10 characters. Then we have date and time, date format. Okay. We will take this as string only. No issues on that. String also we can take 10 characters. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is also 10. Okay, I have taken and then apply. Okay. Go to this target. I think target we have some fixed with table I have already created. I will check it. Okay. If not, we will create the table and then we'll load it.
Chandra, I just have one question, Chandra. So right now, you are trying to add some file and everything, right? In real time, there will be multiple data, multiple things, right? How Chandra to actually it will auto read, or we have to mention
No. We have
more?
to first we have to do it right. That's what our task. One time we have to do. We
Okay.
have to define the structure.
Okay.
Okay. See, look at here. There is no table. Fixed with, there is no table. T underscore employees underscore. Anything like fixed with? No. See what I will do. The target I will create on table. Okay. Create. Directly I'm creating it. See, normally you'll go for import from database, right? But here I'm creating it. See, what is the database type? You can choose Oracle. What is the table? T underscore employee underscore fixed with. Okay, fixed with. Just I'm creating it. Just I'm creating. Go to columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, right? 5 columns. First one is EMP ID. EMP name. Last name. Last underscore name. Then here it is DOB, date of birth. Here it is city. So I'll make this column as numeric number. Varchar. Date of birth, we can make it like a date and time. If it is not loaded correctly, we will convert that into a format in expression. Okay. See this, whether this table is available in target. No, right? This table is not there. Just I have created in Informatica level. If you go and check here, so look at here. If I go and check here, the table will not be there. Tabular view does not exist. What I have to do? See, I have normally we'll have a table in database and then we will import it. Okay. If the table is not there in database, if you are creating an Informatica level, that backend you have to create it. How to create? So go to targets. Here you will be having our last option, generate and execute SQL. That means from Informatica, we are creating that table. You choose this table, selected tables, not connected to target, right? Connect that first. See what is the credential for connect target? You have to give the target credentials. Okay. Core and core. Connection established. Now I want to create the table. Just to create table, generate and execute. See, it will be generated and SQL statement has been processed. It is showing like SQL statement has been processed. See, Informatica did it actually. Create table name, employee ID, all this, right? Then you can, if you go and check now, the table will be there now. Clear on this? Okay. Now I will go to the Informatica. I will create m underscore flat file underscores. Source is flat file underscore emp fixed with. Okay, fixed with. I will take the source as flat file and I will take the target, drag and drop the columns. If it is not correctly loaded for this date of birth, we will check it. Why it is not loading? We will try to fix it. Okay. Then we will go to the WF underscore workflow underscore source underscore flat file underscore emp underscore fixed with. So whatever it is convenient to you, you can give the name. But by seeing the name itself, you should know that this is what the the mapping we have created. Okay, mapping source should be a path. See, this is the path, right? But we have given the path in /1, right? src file /1. So that /1 we have to give that folder name. Okay, /1, that folder name we have to give. Inside the one only we have. That's what I have changed it. Okay. See, these are all different scenarios, real time we will follow. That's what I want to tell you that. I want to give you more information on this. Go to target. Target, you can check the target. Go a little bit down, truncate table options. If you look at here, in the source, it's a flat file, right? If you go to the set file, if you click on the set file, you'll be having the properties. This is the fixed width file. Yesterday's file, if you check it, it's a delimited file, but today's is fixed width file. We've got not advanced. What is the null character? Null character is space, right? Null character is space. You can give one space here. That's all. One space here, null character. Code page, I will explain. Number of initial rows to skip. Should I make it like a 1 or 0 itself? 0 is fine. Number of initial rows to skip.
It is 0 only, Chandra. Because
0
you
only.
cannot
There is
skip.
no header.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So click on OK. Go to target. Then make stop on error equal to G1. Always make this. Always for all the session, make sure that you are making that stop on error equal to 1. Just starting, it may fail. Okay, it may fail. So I will go here. We will check it. See, the troubleshooting is the main thing. Okay. See, as much as you are getting the error, you try to fix it. If you are not able to fix it, you bring it here in our session. We will check it and then we will try to fix it. Okay. See, initial just 10 sessions. If I'm going to do it, then after that you can able to do it by yourself. You will get to know, okay, this is might be the issue. This is might be the issue. That's what. Okay. It is failing. You tell me where should be there.
Well, you mapped itself, it showed you one error, right, Chandra? The date or something, the date format or something,
No.
right?
See here, it is taking employee ID, right? Employee ID itself, it is taking all the characters. All the characters, right? Employee ID, it is taking all the characters from first to last. It is taking. That's why invalid number. Why? Because it has some character, right? That's the reason it's failing. See, one reason could be we have defined here the format. This one, right? Format. We'll remove the format.
Format.
See, this one we made it. The format of this one is like 5 characters, I think. First one is 5 characters, right? Yeah. See, I just made it like 5. You'll see it now. We take first character, first 5 characters, then rest we will check it whether it is taking or not. Okay, see here, read the data from source, right? See 2 records read from the source, but while writing it is failing. Error loading into target, bad rows exceeded, session threshold 1. So this is the error we are getting. Now we will check the session log. Go to E. If you check here the error, you can see the data. See what is the data we are getting for employee ID? 100. That's correct. Employee name is correct. See the date of birth we are getting as null. See date of birth we are getting as null. So what we need to do? We have to change it to the date of birth format. Correct? Other than that date of birth, everything is data is correct. Clear? The data should be there. Okay, so now we will check it, fix the issues on the date of birth. It did not read it properly. So we will make this date of birth as date and time. Apply OK. What is the format? It is a format of the file dd-mm-yp. dd-mm-yy format. Okay. Click OK, apply OK, save. And here, if you look at here, we changed here only. We make sure to change here also, otherwise it will fail. Wherever it is going, this is called a pipeline. Okay. So now we have to change, we have to refresh the mapping. Why? We have changed the mapping level. That's right. So Control S, now run it. See, this is what you have to find the error, you have to fix it. Failed again. Okay, some bad characters coming. D04. Okay, D04 it is taking. Why D is taking here? See, look at here. D is taking, and then 2021 it is not taking. Correct? Got it here? See, this is what the issues will be. See, you have to fix it. You have to check it like this only. It is failing like this. Okay, D04 or something. Okay, this error due to the new line character. Okay, new line character. Why? Because if you look at the previous record, this is second record. First record, one record is coming to the new line, next line. That's what an issue. So we have to provide the new line character. So double click, go to mapping, source, fixed with advanced. You will be having here one option will be there, line sequential file format. So that we have to enable it. Okay, this format you have to enable it. Line sequential file format. Then I'm running.
What will that line sequential format will do, Chandra?
This is the next line to tell, right? So if you open this into a something like here, if you check this view one symbol, show symbol, right? Line characters, all characters. See, this is the one character is there. Control line of this is this one.
Yeah, CRLF,
so it will go to the
yeah,
next
yeah.
line character, right?
Yeah.
So this is what it will be, a sequential file we have to give. If you look at here, now it is running. We will check it. It got loaded, correct? So if you go and check the data, it should be loaded now. See, these many things are there in the fixed width file. So that is why I did it actually. Otherwise, I would have given to you as an exercise. But try to complete this one. Okay, try to complete this one. The actual same thing as how I have did it, right? Same file, you take it, you try to load it into your system. You will come to know all the things. Okay. Everyone is clear now?
Yeah,
Okay,
exchange.
Chandra.
So you do it fixed with file. So then normal file is very easy. Seems to be very easy for you. Got it? Any other questions? Okay. So now I will go to the next one. Like yesterday we have seen, right? Table to table, flat file to table and all. Now we'll go to the other one called table to flat file. We have a lot of other stuff also that we will see, check it one by one. Types of load. Okay. I hope these two are clear for you now. What is that? What is the connection? What is the path and everything? Now we'll go to the table to file. We will take the data from a table. This is our source table, and we will send it to a file here. See, this file I have to send it, right? Which file I can send? Is there any file here? Okay, do I need to import? No. If the target is file, we are going to generate the file. There is no format over there. I have to create the file, correct? How to create? How we have created for source, right? The same way. Target, create, then you can mention that create file and add the columns. Okay. So what is this? Flat file. The file format is flat file. And then the file name is target underscore flat file underscore employees. Then done. The file has been created. Flat file. Double click. There is no field. We will create the field. We have to provide all the 11 columns. So instead of doing manually here like this, I will show you one shortcut method. Okay. I will delete this. I'll show you one shortcut method. How to do. So this is a target, right? On the same format, we are going to make it like flat file. So choose the target here. Choose the target here. Control C, Control V. It is asking you, do you want to copy this? Yes. So target. You can go to the rename. See, since already file name is there, it's rename. Go to edit. So here you can give target is flat file. Naming convention. Just I'm giving that naming convention. Click on OK. Next, finish. See, this is it a table or file? Can anyone tell, is it a table or file?
Set the table.
It is a table. Why? Still just we have copied from a table only. We have copied from table only. That should be a table only, not file. Just naming only we have given like this. But it is an Oracle table. Double click on it. Go to database type. Change from Oracle to flat file. Clear? If you change, then everything will be changed. You want fixed width file or delimited file? I want delimited file. What is the delimiter? Comma delimiter. That means target, it will generate comma delimited file. Clear? Now it is a file or table?
It's a flat file.
It's a flat file. Okay. Go to Informatica. The other concept is same. Create m underscore target underscore flat file underscore employees. So you can drag and drop. Source is a table. Target is a flat file. See, other than that, everything is same. See, that's why I asked you to at least practice 10 mappings. Why? Because the speed you are doing all that source and target and everything, right? You will make it like very faster. That's why I asked you to do at least 10 mapping. That's the reason. So you will get that speed now. Say I have created the, right? You can create one mapping in 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes or 1 minute. You can go here, workflows, create WF underscore target underscore flat file underscore employees. Okay. So this is the speed you have to get it. So the speed will come in the practice only. Okay. Double click. Go to mapping, source should be pointing to source. Target should be pointing to target. Target is flat file. If you look at your header options, target we are generating, right? Flat file we are generating. That flat file we should have the output field names. What is this? No header means the file which is generating, we are generating, it will not have any header. Okay, it will not have any header. That is no header. Output field names means whatever the field names are here. If you look at here, employee ID, all this, it will be there in the header. Okay, little bit move. You can see that what is the output file directory. What is this directory? Nothing but this source file directory we have seen, right? Informatica 10.2.0 server InfoShare TGT files. See here, I'm generating the files here. Oh, here. This is a target file directory. And what is the target file name? Instead of out is nothing but output file. Dot CSV file, comma separated value file. Click on apply, okay. Save, just run. It will generate the file here. So this is very simple. If you have practiced the previous one, right? So this is very simple. Running very slowly, I think so. Still running. Once it got succeeded, it should place a file here. Slow.
Chandra?
Hmm?
Yeah, in real time, we will give a Unix path, right? Directories.
Yes.
Okay.
Unix directory only. Okay.
Hmm.
See here, file has been generated. If you go and check the file, data will be there, right? So the data will be there. File will generate with hash symbol. Okay, hash symbol in it. One hash symbol will be there. The assignment for today is generate the file, remove this hash symbol while loading. Okay, clear. So how to remove the hash symbol while creating the file? That is one exercise. And look at here. It is generating with file. What is the format here? What is the format?
MMDDYY.
4Y and hours, minutes, seconds, right?
Yeah.
Since we haven't tell that hours, minutes, second, it is generating with 000 and all. If you do not want this hours, minutes, seconds, where to change? Can anyone tell where to change?
You have to edit the target.
In the target properties. Here we have to change it. Okay. See, because of this only, it is generating that way. Clear? If you are changing into some other way, it will generate. Say for an example, I'm going to run the same mapping, same workflow. What will happen? Will it append the data, or it will erase the data, or it will create a new file? Can anyone tell? So by default, how it will do? Whether it will append the existing data, or it will overwrite the file, or
it will be overwriting.
It will overwrite the file. See the timestamp 9:27, right? See, once it is succeeded, it will get timestamp will be changed. It will overwrite the file. I'm not sure today. Informatica is very slow. Say 9:29, right? Timestamp has been changed. If you go and check, still 107 record only will be there. Your customer is saying that don't overwrite the file. You load in the same file itself. What will you do? You load the data on the same file itself.
The session properties we have to change to append the data.
Yes, correct. The target, if you go a little bit down, append if exist. Append the data if the file is exist. That option we have to give. If you are giving this, it will not overwrite the date. It will not overwrite. The timestamp will change. But instead of 107 record, now 214 record will be there. I will show you. See, your customer is saying, don't overwrite the file, don't append the file. Every time whenever you are running the file, sorry, Informatica Flow, you generate the file with a different name. Okay, so that the file will be kept for future reference, right? How to do it? Okay, file has been generated. Now, if you check here, see, instead of 107, you'll be having 214 records now. See, header, along with header, you have 215 records. Clear on this? Append if exist, that is an option. Okay, what is the merge file then? Merge file. Whenever you are going to run this one into a something like a partitioning, right? 4 or 5 files will be created. After that, all the file you want to merge it as a single file, you have to give this file. Okay, that is a different concept. Okay, but now I want to make every time whenever I'm going to run the flow, it should generate a different file name. Okay, so try that option in as an exercise. If not, I will do it tomorrow. Okay, I am giving us as exercise today, flat file exercise. Load data from table to flat file and remove the hash symbol in this one. Load the data from fixed width file. I will give you the fixed width file also. That file you have to load it. Okay, and create that table also. So actually target we have created, right? Whether the create table structure is there. Okay, you create the table and do it. Okay. Create.
Chandra, in real time, we mostly use fixed width file or delimited file?
Delimited file. Mostly delimited file, but
okay,
our customer may send fixed width file also. Okay. So last project, right? So last 1 month we have used mostly like flat file only.
Okay.
But one time one customer from something like some different bank, they were sending the file with fixed width file.
Fixed width file. But compared to fixed width, delimited very easy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have one doubt.
Just a minute. Sorry. Yeah. Please go ahead.
We enable that a bond in if fixed or something like that in target. Okay.
Yeah.
At the same time, we enable that one more option is the truncate, and that one also enable at the same time.
What is that?
Yeah, go to yeah. We enable this append if exit. Okay. Go down and truncate field also one option is this.
Truncate.
Table. Okay, sorry, is not there. Okay.
See, truncate will not be there for our flat file. Okay. If the target is stable, then truncate will be there. Okay. For a file, there won't be any truncate.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Yep.
If the target directory is not there, it will create the target directory.
Okay.
The runtime. You can give the header command, footer command. If your customer is saying that add some header, add some footer after that file creation, then this one will take care. Okay. I will tell you what is that indirect file loading tomorrow, but these three you try it today. I will attach this file here, that fixed with file for your exercise, and then I will send it to you. Try to load this file. Okay, clear? You try that. If you are not able to do, you let me know. I will do it. See, always if I'm doing, then you will not get it anything. That's why. So you try it, then only you will get to know, okay, this is what we have to do. All this clear? I will give you this flat file as for your exercise. See, I have taken just a very simple concept today. Why? Because you have to practice, and you have to come all the practices you should have completed up to now. Okay, that's the reason.
Okay, Chandra.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, in SQL Developer, there is an option to export flat file. Sir, why were using in Informatica? Why were creating this type, sir?
In SQL Developer, we have
an option to export. Then we have to table to file format, sir. That means flat file.
Yeah, correct.
Then
okay, I got it. Your question. See, we have option here. We have the data in the table.
Yes,
we have option to export as flat file. Then why do we need Informatica as a tool, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this is one table. This is Oracle table. If the two things, one is the automation. Okay, you can automate your process. This is manual process, right?
Yes, sir.
This is manually you are doing, and then exporting, importing, and then you are. If I'm going to have some thousands of table, will you do it to a daily?
Not
or if the data, in the tables we have some 1 million record, out of that some 100 record only newly has created. So that 100 record you have to find it, and then you have to send it to the target and everything, right? So
yes,
it's
sir.
a manual work, a lot of time to take. That is one thing. So we can automate in Informatica. Informatica will not handle only on Oracle. It can handle any database, SAP, Salesforce, right? I told, right? SQL Server,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
other databases also. So it can interact with any other databases. It can take the data. We can do joins and everything. Then we can do it on the Informatica. Okay. The main thing is we will schedule it. Normally, we will not run this way in real time. We will schedule it automatically. It will run.
Okay, sir.
See, we will schedule it. This is a scheduler. We will make the scheduling. So when it should be running all this, we will give all the timing and everything. Run
and date also.
Yeah, date also. Everything will give. Run every 1 day. So 1 hour, 1 minute. So everything we can customize here. If you schedule it, automatically it will fetch the data from source and then load it into a target. Okay, no, there is no manual intervention. So everything is like automation.
It's used for a transaction statement like that, sir. In banking also.
Yeah. Banking, insurance, retail, life science, automobile.
Last 3 months only we needed that statement.
Yeah, correct. So that is like a reporting that we will do it. That we are not going to do for only one particular person. We are going to do for all the persons.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So that's what the usage of our Informatica. Okay. See, I have given this file as sample file. You take this file as data, load it into a target table. Okay. Clear. See, up to now I have completed table to table, flat file to table, table to flat file, the 3, but still we have some more concept is there in the file to table, table to file and all. I will show you tomorrow. Okay. All the types of load we will complete by tomorrow. Then day after tomorrow, we'll start with the source qualifier transformations. But before that, you should have completed at least 15 to 20 mapping. Make sure that, okay. So thanks for your time. So we will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Any other questions? I will send you the exercise document today. Exercise document.
Chandra, can you share SQL document to us so that we can practice before starting the source call?
Okay. See, SQL, I will share it to you. SQL notes. I will share it to you. Each day I have, and each day I have some exercises. Okay, day 1, day 2, and day 3 exercises I have. I will send that exercise also. Try to complete that exercise. Okay, at least one by one you do it. See, here I have 60 queries. I will send it to you. The 60 queries. All the 60 queries depends on the employees table, the HR schema. Just very simple questions will be there. Try to complete these questions. Before completing our Informatica, you should have completed all the exercises here, whatever I have. Okay. If you are completing, then whatever the scenario they are giving in the interview, you can able to complete it. Okay.
Sure.
I will give you SQL notes. I will give you SQL notes and day-wise exercise, day 1 and 2. This exercise, try to complete this Oracle. If you are not able to do, I have posted one video yesterday, right? SQL, all this. So there I have explained how to do it. Okay, just first 2 hours it will be there. So if you look at there, then you can able to complete all the constraint related questions and this day 1, day 2 exercise. Then I will show you the next one. Okay, I will send today.
But
Okay.
Chandra, before practicing this SQL thing, you will have to complete all that. I mean, that Oracle day 1, day 2, day 3, those kind of things, right?
Yeah, I have posted one video yesterday, right? So that video, if you look at all the 6 hours, you'll be able to complete all this.
Oh, you posted something, Chandra? I didn't know. Okay.
Yeah, I posted and I have pinged in our group also.
Oh, okay, Chandra, I'll take a look on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I missed it.
One more time I will post it again. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Chandra. Thank you.
See,
Oh,
SQL,
yes, Chandra. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So SQL is mandatory. Please, if you are having any doubt in SQL, also bring it to me. We will solve that query. Okay.
Okay, Chandra.
Chandra, one quick question. Could you please go to the designer?
I have closed it. Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute.
SQL, where is that?
Open the source. In any folder, open the sources from folder left hand side. Enable it. So we have tables here, right? So we have already used this table, so that's what he is showing here. So in order to reuse the same, so if in case I have altered any columns or added any columns in the table.
Yeah, correct. I got it. Say for an example, as of now, 11 columns are there in our source table. In the source team, they have added some 12 columns. Okay. The 2 things are there in this case. So in this scenario, 2 things are there. The one is, say for an example, today they have 11 columns. Based on this 11 columns, we have created the mapping, right? We have created the mapping.
Correct.
If they are adding 1 more column or 2 more columns here, the question is, will our Informatica will fail? No, it will not fail. Okay. So why? Because Informatica will always write select column names from table. The Informatica SQL query, right? It will write select column names from table. It will not select star from table. If you are writing select star from table, yesterday it was 11 columns, today it will be 12 columns. Your Informatica will have 11 columns, but data you are getting 12 columns. It is mismatch, it will fail, right?
Correct.
It will not fail next time. But you want to add that also.
Yeah, how to refresh that part?
Mapping. Okay. The one thing is, either you can go directly manually here. Whatever the column they have added here, you can add that column manually.
Okay.
That is called enhancement. Normally, this is what we'll get the enhancement. You can go here, add a new column to this table.
Okay.
You added, say for an example, they have added one column called country, employee country they have added. This column, you can manually enter country column like 50 characters. Okay. Apply. Okay. And then what we will do? Here it will not be there. So everywhere you have to bring this column.
Okay.
Clear on this? That
Okay,
is
clear,
one thing.
clear.
Otherwise, if they have added so many columns, what you can do, you can delete this. You can delete this. You can re-import it again.
Okay. Okay.
And then source qualifier, drag and drop. From the source qualifier, you can drag and drop to the next level. Like this, it will go. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Target you have to create it. But you have so many transformations, you have to do it.
Okay. Okay.
Got it, right?
Yeah, got it. We don't have any refresh here, so in order to
Yeah,
import the
re-import. We have to
table,
re-import the
yeah,
column.
we have to re-import.
Re-import. That option is called
Okay.
re-import. We have to delete this and re-import it. Okay. Even you can preview the data. So look at here. You can preview the data. You can right click on the one, and then you can see. You can, where is that? View data, preview data. You can click on source connection. This is the source, right? HR connect. It will show you the data here itself. So you can preview before loading the data, whether it is data is correct or not. That you can check it here also.
Okay.
In the Informatica also. Before loading it, you want to check the data, you can check it in the source.
Okay. Okay.
Clear? Any doubt?
Yeah, it's clear. Fine. Thanks, Chandra.
Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, I will give you this exercise sheet. Please try to complete the exercise. Same way you have to post the exercise once you have completed the same screenshot. Okay, I'm expecting the screenshot from everybody to make you to practice. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks, Doctor.
Thank you all.